Here, in the high places where eyes cannot reach, the most precise and deadly hunting operations are woven. These are not ordinary aircraft, but iron eyes and lethal rifles. Join us, my friend, in the world of mechanical Falcons and watch how technology changes the meaning of the word hunting. So, do not forget to support us by pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's go. This scene is filmed by a camera fixed on the head of one of the Russian army soldiers as they prepare to attack one of the Ukrainian positions. The attacking Russian group began to spread silently and cautiously, and orders were given to encircle the trench in which the Ukrainian army was fortified, not knowing what was about to happen to them in this fierce assault. Suddenly, the operation began with gunfire and an advance toward the Ukrainian site. Bombs started to fall on the Ukrainian army, and the echoes of explosions mixed with the soldiers' screams filled the place. The Russian soldiers closed in from all directions on that position, exactly like a clamp. Then, not a single shot came from the Ukrainian side, and at that moment, the Russian soldiers knew that victory was theirs. Amid the chaos, one Ukrainian soldier runs for his life, across broken ground, smoke, and silence. Behind him, the sound of a drone hums through the air, patient and unrelenting. Each step kicks up dust and memories of fallen comrades. There is no cover left, no safe direction, only the open field and the eyes above. For a moment, man and machine share the same breath of fear and fury, and then the chase ends, not with a shout, but with a flash that swallows the horizon. In this scene, a Ukrainian soldier tried to escape from his inevitable fate, attempting to evade the Russian drone that was pursuing him. But his effort was in vain. The drone struck the soldier as he was running, and he turned into a ball of fire. Here, Russian reconnaissance drone units detected a Ukrainian position that contained American-made HIMARS rocket launchers. So, the Russian forces sent an Iskander ballistic missile, which hit the site with great precision, destroying the launchers that were stationed there. And here, near Novoselovka, the Russian drone operator found a hidden Ukrainian T-80 tank, one of the most powerful tanks used by the Ukrainian side. So the Russian forces eliminated the hiding spot with the first drone strike, and the second strike caused the ammunition inside the tank to ignite and burn completely. On the southern border, near the village of Platonovka, Russian aerial reconnaissance units found a 122mm self-propelled howitzer belonging to the Ukrainian forces, hiding within the forest belt. The Russian forces then decided to send a Lancet 3 loitering munition drone, which hit the howitzer directly, causing the ammunition to ignite and the gun to burn and be destroyed completely. Here, Russian drone units focused their attacks on Ukrainian vehicles that were transporting equipment and logistical support in the Kharkiv area, aiming to deprive Ukrainian forces of any sources of supply whatsoever. As a result, the Ukrainian forces lost many vehicles in this mission, which were easy targets for drone ambushes that swooped down like falcons upon their prey. Near the village of Kateryniivka, Russian forces spotted Ukrainian army positions hidden in the forests. This led to a multi-drone attack by Russian UAVs, which struck these locations with great accuracy, destroying the positions along with the troops and ammunition inside. In this footage, documented by a Russian fiber-optic drone in the Kharkiv area, the drone discovered a very valuable target, well hidden in the heart of the forest. It was a Ukrainian Bogdana artillery gun, considered the crown jewel of Ukrainian field technology. It was destroyed by a strike from that Russian drone, which set it ablaze and annihilated it completely. In the Kupiansk area, Russian drone units managed to destroy a British-made armored personnel carrier, model FV-432, used by the Ukrainian forces. Successive attacks were carried out by assault drones after the crew abandoned the vehicle, leaving it as an easy prey to meet its fate. In other sectors, Ukraine too is hunting. Between the trenches, where mud hides every step, Russian soldiers move cautiously, unaware that a drone circles above. In the forests, engines whisper and branches tremble. Then the silence is torn by a sudden dive and a burst of fire. Across the open fields, there is nowhere to hide. The drones sweep low, chasing the fleeing soldiers until the earth itself swallows the flames. The hunters no longer walk, they fly. Across the shattered outskirts, small eyes in the sky pick their marks. Men moving between ruined husks of vehicles. A single swarm converges, silent and precise. A burst of heat, and the group collapses into stunned silence. In a narrow alley, a patrol pauses. A moment too long, the sky answers, and the alley goes dark. That's all, my friend. Do not forget to support us by pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.